So hello all. Today we are gonna have a discussion regarding design thinking. So let's hear from Sugashni about what design thinking is.
First of all, I'm going to say about design thinking. What is design thinking? Design thinking is non-linear, iterative process that term has to understand user challenge, assumptions, redefine problems, and creative innovative solution to prototype and test. Involving 5 phases. First one, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. It is the most useful to tackle problems that are ill-defined and unknown. Next, why the design thinking is so important. It is a crucial developed and redefined skill to understand and address the rapid change in users' environment and behavior. The world has become increasing interconnected and complex since the cognitive scientists and Nobel Prizes first Herbert and A. Seaman first mentioned design thinking in 1969 book. The science of artificial and contribute many ideas its principles. The professionals from various of fields including architecture and engineering subsequent advanced it is highly creating process to address human needs in modern age. 21st century organizations from wide range of industries find design thinking is a valuable means to problem solving for the users of their product and services. Design thinking terms uses design thinking to tackle redefined unknown problem because they can reframe this design thinking in human-centric way and focus on what the most important for the user. Of all design thinking process is the most certainty, the best for thinking outside the box. Within the terms can do better UX research, prototyping, usability, testing to uncover the new ways to meet users. Next, Rashni going to discuss further.
Design thinking's value as a word including driving force in business. Global heavyweights such as Google, Apple, and Airbnb have widened into notable effect. Matches its status as a popular subject at leading international universities. With design thinking, teams have the freedom to generate groundbreaking solutions. Using it, your team can get behind hard-to-access insights and apply a collection of hands-on methods to help find innovative answers. The 5 stages of design thinking. First stage, empathize. Research your user's needs. Here, you should gain an empathetic understanding of the problem you are trying to solve, typically through user research. Empathy is crucial to a human-centered design process, such as design thinking, because it allows you to set aside your assumptions about the world and gain real insight into users and their needs. Stage 2, define. State your users' needs and problems. It's time to accumulate the information gathered during the empathize stage. You then analyze your observations and synthesize them to define the core problems you and your team have identified. These definitions are called problem statements. You can create personas to help keep your efforts human-centered before proceeding to ideation. Third stage, ideate. Challenge assumptions and create ideas. Now you are ready to generate ideas. The solid background of knowledge from the first 2 phases means you can start to think outside the box, look for alternative ways to view the problem, and identify innovative solutions to the problem statement you have created. Brainstorming is particularly useful here. The stage 4, prototype. Start to create solutions. This is an experimental phase. The aim is to identify the best possible solution for each problem found. The team should produce some inexpensive, scaled-down version of the product or specific features found within the product to investigate the ideas they generated. This could involve simply paper prototyping. Stage 5, test. Try your solutions out. Evaluators rigorously test the prototypes. Although this is the final phase, design thinking is iterative. Teams often use the results to redefine one or more of the problems. So you can return to your previous stage to make further iterations, alterations and refinements to find or rule or alternative solution.